Hello, new background. Ben again. He's still here. Jeez, like a hobo just sits in your house. Right. So basically today we've got a helicopter over there. It's a bad helicopter because it's broken-ish. Don't know why. There's a bit of problems with it. Got a new one coming tomorrow. So tomorrow, if Ben might come around again, maybe sometime, we might update this video. So if you're seeing this, I don't know, you get the gist, right? Basically he is going to use this to shoot that out the sky. I don't know why. It's on. Right, hello, welcome back. You get that. There we go. Oh. Crap. That was not a good idea. I don't know if you can tell, but that just hit me like 5 times because I turned the controller on and I'm just going to throw it up in the air. So this is going to work well, isn't it? Great, this is going to be fun. And he's going to try and shoot it out. I'm holding the camera just because, you know. Let's go. Right, turn on.
Wait, I just noticed I used all my books.
Super. One. Now it's broken.
Yeah. Right, it's ready, time.
Sorry about this. It's not working. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Guess you can't zoom in on video. Okay, right, great. This didn't work. This is working well, isn't it? Sorry about that. I might drop the camera. Right.
No, I know how to fix it.
Okay, there we go. Okay, we're rock and rolling. I'll probably cut that out. Right, so I'm going to turn it on, then I'm going to throw it up in the air, then Ben's going to try and shoot it. Right, ready, Ben? Ben, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh.
Right, I'm throwing it again, That was me, mate. Don't shoot me, shoot the thing.
I'll do the thing.
As punishment for that.
Oh, got it.
Oh, you got it! Oh,
Yeah,
crap.
die.
Crap.
I have no bullets, by the way.
Oh, crap. Oh. Okay, thanks for watching and that. Say bye.
I'll just be sleeping here. Like usual, in my home, in Hobo land. Right here on this carpet.
He sleeps there on the carpet because...
Thank you for watching,
Night.
Subscribe, it's free.
Yeah.
Like, it's kind of free. You have to make a Facebook account.
Thumbs up. No, I don't know.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, yeah, thumbs up.
No,